Hi guys, it is me, Simone. Welcome back to my video. In this video I'm going to do a video response to Erica Scrapdiva 29's 26,000 subscriber giveaway challenge. So I want to show you guys what I made for the giveaway and give you some ideas of what is going on. So yes, I'm very excited. So in the challenge, you had to make embellishments that included at least an eyelid, a charm, and a tassel. So let's get into that. And before I get into that, let me show you some of the things I've already used. So I used this paper pad here. This is the Turn the Page by Pink Paisley by Paige Evans. I used this little 6x6 paper pad. I forgot where I got this from. I think I bought this. Oh, I know what this is. This is like one of those peachy cheap deals I did a while ago. Kind of go through pages real quick. So I use this on my embellishments. I used this paper pad for most of the project that I did. And I added some things to this. This paper pad is really pretty, but I'm gonna put this one down. It kind of reminds me a little bit like 4th of July-ish if you use too much of this paper, so I wanted to balance it out. So I pulled in like paper from my stash into here, because like it has pinks in here, but there are not a lot of pinks in here, so I drew in some more colors so it wouldn't be too like 4th of July, red, blue, white. And then I added this Recollection signature glitter pack, and it's so pretty. The camera will never do it justice, but yeah, different kinds of golds, bronze, black, so I think it's really cute. And I used some of that Sizzix opulent paper that I got from Scrapbooking Made Simple. And yes, if I can find things I'm using, I will link them below for you guys. So let's get into the project. You had to do a 3D project or a banner, and you send it in. I did a 3D project. This is based off a point system, so for everything you do you get a certain amount of points. So for a 3D project you get 10 points, for a banner you would get 5 points, and for a decorated embellishment box you get 5 points. So I did a 3D project. Here's what I made. I made this beautiful wardrobe here. Now I did make a little bit of a boo-boo with this baby. So this is my prototype here, and basically what was supposed to happen, you can kind of see like the huge difference. Basically what was supposed to happen was it was supposed to be a drawer that you could open up, and I was going to put embellishments in here, but nope. It didn't work like that. And the door, I had like so many mistakes in this project. I made the doors for the wardrobe too small. The drawer is too big. Yeah, just all over the place. So that was an interesting experience. I wonder if this could have fit in here. I didn't even try that. I'm trying to use my prototype to fit in there. It looks like it could have. I'm like, my head's all in the way. Sorry. Whatever. It's almost done. So I just ended up gluing it to the bottom and extending the platform. Extending the wardrobe, and maybe you can put like shoes in here. Like a shoe holder area in your wardrobe, and it's like a faux drawer. I don't know. So I decorated this with that pepper pad and a lot of Maggie Holmes embellishments. I kind of just been realizing I don't use a lot of her embellishments or sticker packs, her embellishment packs really at all. I just don't use a lot of embellishments like that. So I kind of force them on any project I do, especially if I'm giving it away. I just use these so I can get rid of them, and I use them, So that's pretty much everything. The flowers, the stickers, all are from Maggie Holmes paper pads and sticker sheets that I've had in my stash for a while. On the bottom, this wood veneer is from Hobby Lobby during their sales. I use some sequins in here, some tulle. Paper pad back is from the Recollection paper pad. A die I have in my stash back here. A flare from, I think it's Tuesday Morning, some brand. And a wood veneer from, I think that wood veneer is from Hobby Lobby too. On the side, these are just Maggie Holmes flowers that I just went, crazy with. I used some of this sequence, like ribbon tool, not tool, ribbon trim or whatever you want to call it, and then some like glitter ribbon behind it. I layered it on top, and on the sides it's just another big flower layering piece. On the back here, I have these little flower. These are just some dies that I use. This beautiful flower die I cut out, and some hearts. And you can take off this. It's basically a little band. I'm gonna set that recollections paper here. So, see how pretty that is? It's just a bunch of layering, and I use those vellum flowers you get. They're kind of hard to use. And you open it up. That's like glitter paper from recollections. You open it up, and that's the inside. A little phrase in there, and then I have some stickers in here from AliExpress. If you look right there in between, those are stickers from AliExpress. Alright, so let's go into my embellishments. The first embellishment that I have here is these beautiful bows, and they're backed on a Project Life card. I have a bunch of these. I don't do Project Life anymore, so I have a lot of these left over. This bow is this one here. I just layered it, so I cut it out. I cut 2 pieces of paper out like this, and then I put one the correct way, and then I moved the other one like that, and then wrapped it around. So it's really simple. A little different, just kind of uniquely putting a spin on that. The next thing I did was I made these cute little mini banners, and I just layered them with different kind of papers. I still use that little rose corner die here. This is from that Scrapbooking Made Simple haul I did a while ago with all those dies, and I kind of cut it up, and I add my eyelids. Now I only have silver eyelids, but you kind of see there's a gold theme going on. I think I got these from AliExpress too, and this container is from Dollar Tree. But I have these eyelids here, and they're silver, and that wasn't going to match my theme that I was going for, so I use embossing powder. I use this Nouveau embossing powder that I got from Tonic, and I just embossed them kind of roughly. Done that real quick, and you can emboss metal. You can emboss a lot of things. And then my charm is this cute key that I got from some trade I did a while back, and it was silver, so I just embossed it with the same kind of embossing powder. You guys can't see it, but this embossing powder is so pretty. It's like a pink color, but it has speckles of white in it. It's called Popsicle, right? Pink Popsicle? Pink Popsicle, and it's such a pretty color. I can't even explain it. It's so cute. I love the embossing powder. Oh, so pretty. So I thought it looked really well. I only embossed one side of this charm, so because I'm lazy. I feel like embossing the side. And just make sure when you do emboss metal, you give it enough time to cool off so you don't burn your hands, because that metal will get hot. The next thing I did was these beautiful shaker balloons. Inside them I had some Scrapdiva magnolia flowers. I got this in like a blind bag a while ago. I don't buy this brand often, actually at all, because they're really expensive for sequins. I mean, that's how much you get right there. Can you guys see that? You get a little bit, this little bit of sequins for like, I think $4. I really go on like Cartwright or AliExpress. I use some of these like iridescent sequences here. These little like mini gems. You can get these off of Alina Cuddle. I don't know if you can see that because it fell between my fingers. Get them off Alina Cuddle or other places sell it too. These beautiful white heart, tiny little sequins, and that's what I use inside here. I use some tulle. Oh, and I use some of these little gold flakes, but I use sequins instead for like acetate, so the flakes are coming out of some of the holes in the sequins. So I mean the tulle. I did go on the edges with some gold paint, kind of put it on my finger, messy. Add some embellishments for my stash. These are some beautiful trim tassels with this cute little beaded charm that I made for him, and they're attached with these what's called lobster clasp. And that's all I did. And most of these trims are from AliExpress, like the leaf one and the two leaf ones are AliExpress, and the rest of them are Michael's. And then this one right here that attaches them in the middle, this black one, that is Hobby Lobby. And I backed it on. This is some paper I got from Studio Calico, and then this is another ATC Project Life card that I have in my stash. It's really cute. See, it's like a balloon, but this one's more blown up and big. I think it matches. So what can fit will go inside here, and then what can't fit, I'll make a little baggie for it and haul it off. So that is my little project share, and I'm very excited. I will be getting these all packed up and ready to send off. Much love, guys. I'll talk to you later. Have a great day, and don't mind I will be getting you guys the tutorial on how I made this beautiful chest. The only thing I ask, guys, if you want me to make this tutorial, kind of give me idea if you want me to do like this big one with the open space, or do you want me to do the one where you have a drawer. I personally did this drawer, but give me an idea what you guys want me to do. That is it. Much love, guys, and I will talk to you later. Have a great day and get crafty. Bye.